Okay, we're going to do simple second law problems. If you remember, Newton's second law is F equals ma. So this is going to be an F equals ma problem. This is a force of 30 newtons accelerates a large rock 2.5 meters per second. Or meters per second squared. We got to find mass of the rock. So I'm going to draw myself a rock. I don't know the mass. I'm going to make the assumption that I'm forcing it at 30 newtons to the right, which means that it's going to accelerate that way at positive 2.5 meters per second squared. I'll call this positive 30 newtons. So I go F equals ma, and my force is 30, positive 30. My mass is unknown. My acceleration is positive 2.5. Solve that thing out for m. So we'll come up here. M is 30 divided by 2.5, or you get a mass of 12 kilograms. So that's your basic straightforward F equals ma. You'll probably never see one of those again. It's always step 0 of a 4-step question. Second question says that you've got an 80 kilogram crate resting on a flat surface. So let's draw this 80 kilogram crate. 80 kilograms. Determine the normal force exerted by the surface of the crate. So your normal force is Fn, and you have always a downward force of Fg, and since they're equal and opposite vectors, Fn plus Fg is going to end up equaling 0. Fg, keep in mind, is negative, so you can just go, you know what, Fn is equal to Fg. And just remember that these two are opposites, so if this is up, this is down. Or you can go, this one's positive and this one's negative, right? Positive, negative. I don't really care which way you do it, just keep everything organized. So you got to figure this out. Well, we know that the mass is 80 kilograms. I know my formula for force due to gravity is mass times gravity. So force due to gravity then is going to be 80. Remember, gravity is actually 9.8. We're lazy. We use 10, and it's actually minus 10. So you're going to get a force due to gravity of minus 800 newtons. But you don't want force due to gravity, you want the normal force. So it's going to be 800, but it's opposite. So normal force is going to be positive 800 newtons. Or you could put 800 newtons up. You really don't care. Okay, so there you go. 2 simple F equals ma problems.